Hello to all traders and welcome to another edition of Market Insights. This video has been once again brought to you by Orbex. So we're digesting the news of yesterday's dramatic fall on gold as it dropped over $60, heading towards the 1800 psychological level. And this is a lot of traders what seems as persistent inflation hanging over a lot of the world at the moment. We've got the Fed Reserve meeting tomorrow where apparently a 75 basis hike is going to be put into place, but has this already been priced in, or are we going to see more dramatic moves in the market as well? We've seen the dollar quite strong over a lot of its competitors over the last few months as well, so this is another indication, especially the euro, that we might be seeing another move towards fresh lows as well on the euro dollar currency pair. But as we look at gold, we're looking at this 1800 handle to see if it's going to be broken. If it is going to be, then we're going to see levels that we haven't seen for a few months at the start of 2022 actually. So let us know your comments, your thoughts about gold, and obviously we can't talk about gold without mentioning oil as well. Where is oil heading in the next few weeks as we close out not only quarter two but also the first half of 2022 as well? So let's get straight into the charts then. So I've got the Ichimoku cloud on as well as my indicator today. Look at the 4-hour chart, not really wanting to go too far back on the daily chart, just wanted to see what happened in yesterday's trading. As you can see, this dramatic fall, and we actually, if we just take in the 1800 handle here, we're just looking at the moment and how close we did get, but we did see a bounce roughly about the 1805. But as you can see here, if we do crack that 1800 handle, then expect prices to start dropping roughly about the mid 1780 levels as well. So, but from the morning session, as you can see, the Ichimoku cloud is quite thin, so it's indicating that there isn't really much disturbance in the market at the moment. We are looking for another push higher for a rebound in gold, but we'll see if this comes into fruition in the near term as well. As you can see on the RSI, really plunging quite heavily, but what's most interestingly enough is we've got this divergence here on the bullish side, so this could actually lead to a possible move towards back up towards the mid 1800 handle as well. So if we can erase this large candle, this is on the 4-hour chart, roughly back up to the 1850 zone in the next few hours, then we could see a full reversal and a V-shaped recovery like we have done so many times in a lot of commodities. However, this is quite a big downgrade for gold, and just keep an eye out for their FOMC as well. That's coming up tomorrow night. If we just look on the 1-hour chart, just want to show you that we are actually now in a slight bullish channel, which is quite positive, obviously for bulls, not for bears. But as I said, we'll just see what the progression is in the next few hours as the American market opens as well. Obviously, gold is priced in dollars, so it is obviously a true reflection of where the US economy is going as well. So let's just take a look on oil. So oil as well, just want to bring it back to intraday chart, and we're still in this kind of ascending diagonal pattern at the moment, not really coming out of it and looking for another leg higher. We've had these fresh highs of $123 in recent sessions, so let's just see what's going to be happening. Obviously, with the Ukraine-Russia crisis still going on, we've had OPEC meetings across the board over the last few weeks saying they will increase output, but what will happen if supply cannot meet demand in the near term? Obviously, countries across the globe really feeling the pinch with these oil prices and gas prices as well. Check out NGAS for obviously more fresh highs on that. So oil, just going back to that, as you can see, really in a bull market at the moment, really trading above the Ichimoku cloud and not really looking to slow down at the moment. We did see a slight divergence on prices, but not really coming to fruition yet. It is slightly bearish on that side, but we could see another move to the upside as well. This particular divergence though is bullish, and we could see more of a impulse to the upside. If we just look on the 1-hour chart, we can see a little bit more clearer And as I said, still in this kind of ascending bullish diagonal channel, but more interestingly enough, now bouncing on the 1 hour Ichimoku cloud top border, moving up to, again, these fresh peaks here. We've broken this one, moving up approximately about the 100, higher end of the 122 mark, and we'll see if that has any bearing on the next outcome, that we will see more oil progression as well. So just keep an eye on the big movers in the market. We've got gold really moving over $60 yesterday, and possibly even a rebound today, and obviously oil still on that upward trajectory, so keep an eye out for that as well. As I said, tell us what you think. Any comments or queries, please add them to the YouTube post that will be going on our Orbex channel, and we'll speak again tomorrow for the next major headlines and the big movers in the market to keep you all opportunities in the market. So until then, bye for now.